In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get level 20 in My Singing Masters. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Of course, you have the best ways to get the level 20, which should be pretty obvious. Logging in daily and always keeping up to date with your goals is the most straightforward way of acquiring XP. These will teach you the basics of the game, and they will always make sure that you know what you're doing and how to progress through the game. By following them, you will also amass a good amount of XP. As you can see, all of these will give me XP alongside coins and even treats. So, besides the obvious way of meeting your goals, some other stuff that you can consider in order to level up fast are building and destroying decorations. Building these will reward you with XP, and all you have to do afterwards is sell them for the same price that you bought them. So you can either use your diamonds to buy these decorations or coins that you have available. If you use coins, of course, you will be able to simply sell them for the same price, and they will reward you with XP every time you buy one of them. Alternatively, one last method that I want to mention as a good way to get some early XP is making and giving treats to your masters. This is something that you should be doing every time you can. As you can see, you can bake a good amount of them. It's time gated, but when you bake and feed them to your masters, you will be able to level them up and earn XP in the process. As long as you always keep up to date with your decorations, baking more treats, and meeting your goals, you will be able to level up fast. I hope I was able to help you on how to get level 20 in My Singing Masters. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.